This is it, the final video. We have covered location, technology, menu, equipment, staff and marketing. Now I'm going to give you the number that scares most of people, but it shouldn't, because once you understand it, you can plan for it. How much does it actually cost to start a food business in UK? And I'm also going to give you an 8 step-by-step plan so you know exactly what to do and when. Let's go, fire it up. Section 1, complete cost breakdown. The real range for a small to medium food business outside London. So here is the chart that I can show you. Lease deposit for 6 months cost 15,000 to 40,000 pound. First 3 months rent 10,000 to 30,000 pound. Kitchen equipment 13,500 pound to 32,000 pound. Pause and tech setup could be cost you 2.5 grand to 8 grand. License and permit should be about 1,500 to 3,000 pound. Initial stock cost you about 3,000 to 8,000 pound. Branding and design 1,500 to 5,000 pound. Launch marketing, the initially when we start business we have to spend a little bit extra, so that could be cost us between 2 grand to 5 grand. Contingency about 10-15%, so it could be cost 8,000 to 25,000. So total startup cost 88,000 to 250,000 pound. But don't scare, I will break it down for you in a minute. The range is wide because it depends entirely on your model. A dark kitchen or a takeaway outside a major city, buying used equipment, doing your own delivery on Just Eat Deliver. You are looking around a full service restaurant in a city with new equipment. You are looking at 250,000 pound to 500,000 plus. So the model you choose matter seriously. Realistic target, small takeaway dark kitchen outside the London should be cost you around 100,000 pound to 180,000 pound. If you want to start a full service restaurant with the dine-in system, that could be cost 250,000 pound to 500,000 pound up to. Section 2, where to get the money. The most interesting things. Now, most people are not sitting on 100,000 in cash. Let's talk about how we can fund our own business. We can go for personal savings. Keep at least 3 months of personal living expense separate. Running a business while personally broke is a nightmare. Next, we can try for a business loan. High street bank like Barclays, NatWest, Lloyds all offer startup business loans. You will need a solid business plan. Typically rates in 2026 are around 6 to 12% APR. The startup loan scheme backed by the government offer up to 25,000 pound. Excellent for first time business owner. Search startup loan UK. I will put the link in the description box below so you can find it easily. Then you can go for an investor or a partner. If you bring in your own investor, you give away a percentage of your business in exchange for capital. Be careful here. Know the numbers, know what equity you are giving away, and get a proper legal documents. Don't do this on a handshake. Now we will come to section 3, your 8-month launch timeline. Let me make it real. Here is your 8-month step-by-step plan. Print this out. Trust me, it will be help you. So if you go for months 1 to 2, research your market, write a business plan, decide your model, secure your funding, start searching for a location. From months 2 to 3, negotiate your lease, hire a solicitor to review it, register as a food business with your local council. Month 3 to 5, start your fit out work, order your equipment, set up your POS, start recruiting your core team, register for VAT if you expect that you £1,000. Months 5 to 6, apply for your premises license and other permit. Finalize your menu, launch your social media page, start building your email list. Months 6 to 7, train your staff, do kitchen trial, cook every dishes, time it, cost it, apply to your delivery platform, start your pre-launch marketing campaign. And finally, months 7 to 8, soft opening. Invite your friends or a family, local influencer, gather feedbacks, fix issues, grand opening, go for a marketing hard way, collect reviews aggressively. Please note that months 1 and 2 as much as you spend money, whatever you're doing, maybe it doesn't give you the same return that you are expecting. So be patient. It could be rise slowly, or maybe very sharp, but always expect slow rising. Section 4, the 6 reasons food businesses fail. Before I let you go, I want to give you 6 months common reason food businesses fail. Not to scare you, to make sure you're not one of them. Number 1, undercapitalized. How much money you have, you put all of your money in your business and you don't have any backup money. Which one will be make you really worse? Number 2, wrong location. Great food, no footfall, no delivery demand in the area. Number 3, no marketing. Why not spend lots of money? My shop, my takeaway is looking nice. Why should I have to spend money on marketing? People will find me and come to me. No, it doesn't work like that. Staffing disaster. No progresses, high turnover, inconsistent food quality, poor menu management. Open a takeaway, put as much as item I want in my menu. Wrong pricing, no good. Owner burns out. This is the happen for a small business most of the time. The owner always try to do everything to save the money, but end of the day he is burnt out. No system, no team, no breaks. If you have watched this entire series, you already know how to start your business, how to find a location, how to manage the system, how to manage the staff, how to operate the EPOS and everything. The question now is whether you act on it or not. And that's it. 7 videos. The complete guide to start a food business in UK in 2026, how you have to find a location, how you will be organized everything, how you will be started, how much should be cost. I will try my best to give you a clear idea based on my experience and my studies. If you're interested about business, if you want to start a business, or if you already have a business but you want to scale it up, please subscribe my channel. It will be help me. Hopefully I will be see you on my next video with another interesting topic. Peace be upon you.